channel, Rhebhecz. Today we will be having a pull out pull out 2. We will see, guys. That's 2,800 lang, no?
Yeah.
2,800 for the pull out 2 of this from septic tank. So we will see.
Lady matubang diha.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hindi, ganun dito ko.
Luto rin ba kayo ba?
Lutaw o tiglong.
Ha?
Lutaw o tiglong.
Luto rin ba ba eh? Barita rin. Oh!
Wala ito ang
Sa?
atang hindi ako.
Ha?
Christmas.
Agi na sa katungkos.
Ano eh? Dili yan, dili mo yan, Mike.
Karama KMGS ha?
KMGS. Excavator. Ano nga yung excavator?
BLG.
PLG excavator. So, nagdepende na siya sa kung ano, kung gamay or dako.
Oh, minimum na.
Minimum.
Minimum ninyo to 8. You already see how they doing that one to get the food. The minimum daw, the minimum is 3,000 pesos. Nasi ko kay discount lang ng 2,800. So, yan. If you want to, if your septic tank is already full, if it's already full, then we will contact the excavator. Ha? PGM man ilang excavator. So ayan guys, it's they already go home now, and I thought they will get all what's inside the septic tank, and then as I observe, it's already they say it's already full the truck, so they go home, and then what they get there is that's what you pay. The minimum is 3,000, but there's a discount 2,800. So my sister said that pay that one 2,800 for the suction of septic tank. So I did not expect. I thought you get all that one and you pay 2,800. So yeah, it's already full the truck. VLG man din, VLG septic tank excavator and plumbing services. So yun guys, yun, look at my eyes. It's morning here, and they get that one after the breakfast of neighbors and people around here because that's stinky. And yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Rhebhecz. Bye bye. Napag-ibilin oh. Wala na hurot pa, no? Not all finished. Still have that one. Yan sa